guys, welcome back.
Hello guys.
This is Zoe
and Mr. D.
We are back on our Sunday unboxing with something different.
So let's go to the
unboxing. So here we have the Remington Curling Wand. Nice ceramic, so it does not damage your hair. It has some features that we'll see in a minute. Just let's go. These boxes are a bit hard. Good. Oh, I got everything else. Everything nearly out in one go. Wow, the packaging is definitely safety proof. How we got it. And planet friendly. There's no plastic in the box, literally. Nothing. So, well done to the company for that. The box and everything in it is cardboard, so you can actually recycle. Very simple use. On, off, and you can adjust the temperature to your needs. That is, it's got like 130 to 200 degrees. Depends of how damaged your hair, how thick your hair. It is ceramic. It is literally ceramic, so it doesn't damage your hair as much as a metal one, as you said, would do. I can put this here. A safety glove. We will test that if it actually works. When you style your hair with those things, obviously, there's always a chance of you burning your hands as you put your hair around. So let's see if this is actually heat-proof. Also, for the features of this, it has fast heating, warms up in 30 seconds, that we will test. And a safety sort of in 60 minutes, just in case you actually forget it on, so it's like safer. It will turn off after an hour. Cool. And here I am with my magic curling wand, ready to try it. A few more features about it is, look, no more tangling wires. It actually turns. I hate it when products do that. Literally, like, don't turn around. So let's go to the testing. Does it take 30 seconds to warm up? We have a little light that is going on and off at the minute. And depending on your hair, you want 130 to 150. If you've got thin, damaged hair, you want 150 to 180 if you have normal, healthy hair. And around 200 degrees if you have thick hair or hair that does not like being styled. And it's literally warmed up. And the light is now stable, so we can go to our testing. I am going to wear that glove. It is like a wand. So I am going to try this. How can you tell I use a different type of device?
That looks more promising.
It looks more promising. Let's see if it actually... Oh, yeah. I think I just needed a second take. Look at this can.
So if you put
Yeah.
some hairspray,
Yeah, it would definitely. Let's go for a second one. It wasn't until I actually figured out how, because as I said, I do use a different type of device when I curl my hair. So it was just like, let's see how it works all together. I'm telling you guys, that glove does really work. I can feel the heat. Oh, nice. I'll pull back my rest of my hair. I think these are perfect. Obviously, if you like look them around smaller distance, you can get bigger curls, but I love mine like this. And it is quite fast. Let's do a smaller one. Let's try a smaller one, see. Yes, I'm gonna have like loads of different curls in my hair now, just to try. And don't accidentally burn your head, because it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. And it's definitely so much faster than the device I was using. Oh my God, look at this one. Okay. You can do smaller curls. I would suggest, like, if you like me, that don't normally do that, maybe get somebody to actually help you out the back. But very fast, very nice. Glove works. I think I'm gonna do all my hair and show you guys. My magic wand. Ta-da! What do you think? I think this product is amazing. It's quite fast. It took me around 15 minutes to actually do all this. Yeah, okay. I do not have much hair, but I've got like a normal amount of hair. You will find your way quite easy. As I said before, I had a different device, so I had to like work myself around it and find my way. Very fast, very easy, very light product. I believe it is an amazing present for all the women out there, especially now that Valentine's Day is very, very close. Like, hey guys out there, lovely device. Easy to style your hair. You can style your hair, as I said, in like around 15 minutes. Weddings, parties, going out, proms. Easy and nice. I think Eddie has to say his opinion, as he was actually watching me in the process of doing all my hair. But I highly recommend it. And yes, guys, I still have my heat glove on. So what do you say, Dee?
I believe if you buy this device, you will be ready for party in 15 minutes.
Yeah, and that's fast for women.
You can get this device today from Amazon. They have a special offer, so don't lose this offer. Fast hair curling. It has a special coated from sea oil. It will make your hair not get burnt, basically. But I believe it's very efficient. As a device, it's very efficient. Gets a little warm, but it's a normal operation. Obviously, it's an iron. Yeah, I'm just explaining. And you make results like that.
Yeah.
They look amazing.
Yeah. For 15 minutes, I really think it's very good. And if you actually use these devices often, not like me that I curl my hair like every once in 3 months, I believe you can do it even faster and have lovely results and different hairstyles.
All right. So, get this device today. Amazing results. Wear the glove, obviously, not burn your hands.
Yes, this glove absolutely works. I was very surprised with it because it feels like a normal glove. Wear the glove, guys, it does get warm.
So this is Zoe and Mr. D, and thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.
See you on the next one, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.